Hey, I'm Mike. I bought this router jig for cutting circles and ovals. It comes with a base and a couple of pieces that slide into here, into these slots. So you can either put one in the center for cutting circles, or you can put them both in place and set the diameters so you can cut ovals. And it's got a pretty good range of sizes it can do between, I think it's 9 inches and 53 inches diameter circles. Problem is, these mounting holes that it comes with don't match the holes on my router base. This is an older router from like 20 years ago. I could drill additional holes to make it fit the router base, but I don't really want to do that. This is made with a composite material. It's called phenolic resin, and I think that would weaken it, especially because the holes would end up kind of close to the other holes, and also would look kind of ugly. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a piece of 1/4 inch steel plate that matches the bottom of the router, and then I'm going to drill holes in that plate and counterboard those holes so I can screw into the router and have it flush on the underside. Then I can drill additional holes and thread those that'll screw this into the base. So let's see how it goes. Well, here's how it came out. These are the counterbored holes for going into the router base. You can see they go past the face so that you can mount the jig over it without bumping into them. And these are the threaded holes for going into the router jig. So let's see how it works. So there it is. That worked well. Held in place solidly. The only downside is that I've added 1/4 inch of thickness. What that means is the usual drill bit that I use, 1/4 inch upcutting spiral bit, won't go very far. It'll only clear, once I put the router in and plunge it down, it'll only clear maybe 3/8 of an inch down. They don't really make these 1/4 inch ones longer than that. I've looked, I can't find anything that's longer than 2.5 inch overall length. So I'm going to have to switch to a 3/8 inch bit, which I have a longer one. So this will work. It just means the cut's bigger, which is a little harder to do. I'll have to do more incremental passes when I do cuts, but it should work fine. Thanks for watching.